Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 2 LO2. Understand how to manage quality of service delivery. In this video, you will explore how quality in service delivery can be effectively managed through structured systems and processes. It highlights the importance of planning, monitoring performance, and applying continuous improvement to ensure services consistently meet organizational and customer expectations. Managing service quality starts with clear objectives aligned with strategy and needs. These objectives define practical quality aspects like reliability and safety. Without them, measuring service quality becomes challenging. Service standards act as benchmarks for performance consistency. Policies and training support staff in meeting these standards. Monitoring is key to quality management, using indicators and feedback. This helps identify service delivery gaps and trends. Corrective actions follow identified issues involving process reviews and training. Learning from failures highlights improvement opportunities. Continuous improvement models embed quality in daily practices. Leadership and culture are critical in quality management. Managers must foster a quality-focused culture. Staff should feel responsible for outcomes and welcome feedback. Embedding quality in culture leads to consistent service delivery. This resilience ensures long-term success. Quality in service delivery requires clear standards and systems. These systems standardize service delivery and support accountability. ISO 9001 is a key standard, focusing on systematic service planning and improvement. Other frameworks like Investors in People enhance staff development. Together, these ensure quality becomes measurable and systematic. Correct. Different approaches to quality management offer varied benefits. Total quality management emphasizes continuous improvement and staff involvement. Standards like ISO 9001 provide structure and measurability. Excellence models encourage outstanding performance and innovation. Each approach suits different organizational needs and contexts. In conclusion, effective management of service delivery quality depends on the establishment of clear objectives, well-defined standards, and strong, accountable leadership. The consistent and systematic application of these principles ensures not only high-quality performance, but also regulatory compliance and operational reliability. By embedding quality within organizational culture, governance structures, and operational systems, organizations create a foundation for continuous improvement, enhanced service effectiveness, and sustained stakeholder confidence and satisfaction. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 074843616688 and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.